Hi, have you always wanted to get into property investing? Are you a entrepreneur or just an ordinary person that's trying to find out what it is to get into real estate, both in the UK and in Nigeria? I'm a property investor. I've been investing in property for the last 27 years. I have real estate in Nigeria and also in the UK. So what I've done is I'm putting together a webinar that I'll be able to share with you 27 years of my experience, and I'll be able to show you secret tips that I've used to get property and real estate both in UK and in Nigeria. So somewhere around this page there's a link to click onto that website. Click onto the link, book the webinar training, and in the next 25-30 minutes I'll be able to share with you the secrets that's been able to for me to build a portfolio of property. This is even if you've got little time, this is even if you've got little knowledge, and this is even if you've got little money. So I'll be able to share with you the tips on how you can get started where you are right now in the next 30 days. So somewhere around this page there's a link. Click on that link and join me on the inside, where I'll be able to share with you my top secrets, strategies which I've used to build real estate portfolios in UK and in Nigeria. So take care, and I'll see you on the inside. God bless.